Welcome to the first episode in a series of ongoing life hacks that I'm going to teach you how to do. It's been a while since I've posted any videos, but I felt that due to the state of the economy right now and, the fact that people want stuff cheap, I thought I'd restart up this channel and give you some life hacks. So this one is one that I created just a little while ago. You can do it in two different ways. This is an art easel. This is very simple to make. It took me less than 5 minutes to make it. You will need a piece of wood, approximately 2.5 feet by 2.5 feet square. Roughly, it doesn't matter on the size, truly. You will need a 12-inch piece of web strapping. This is something that I got from a dog collar. And you will need a T50 stapler. It doesn't matter whether it's air-powered or manual-powered. In addition, you will need another piece of wood for the strapping. This is just simple, I think it's called door jamb wood. But what you'll do is you'll cut this door jamb wood the same exact size as the wood that you're using. Then you'll just cut the strapping, cut about 4 inches off of the strapping, and you'll first staple about 4 staples to the front of it. Bend it over, make sure it's nice and tight, and then you'll take the rest of it and staple 4 staples there. Now, with the rest of it, you can adjust this however you want. What I did is I stapled 3 staples on the back side, and this is just to give it stability so it won't flop out. And then, let me flip this over here. Then all you're going to do is put 3 or 4 staples in the back side of the wood here. Now, what I did is I used 1/2-inch staples. That seemed to work the best for this material. This is 3/8 OSB that I'm using. That should be pretty decent. And that's pretty much it. Like, once you get it all set up, it literally takes less than 5 minutes. I apologize for the camera. I'm trying to do this and hold it and all that good stuff at once. But once you do that, and get it set up, it will stay. It's not loose. Now you can add channeling around the outside to dress it up. I just sanded both sides of this. It's just me in here using it, but I recommend that if it's for a child, you finish it. Maybe add some kind of like channeling around the outside to kind of keep the edges clean and splinter free, and then maybe treat it with I don't know, like a coat of paint or polyurethane or something where it's not going to chip and peel and crack. The other thing that I used was these large binder clips. Now this will go right up here, one on each side. These are the really large binder clips, and that'll hold the artwork. Gonna try and do this here. It's not gonna be easy, but you'll get the idea as soon as I clip this on. And you can see that now my artwork is clipped on there. That's pretty much it. Subscribe, comment, like the video if you found this to be helpful. Like I said, this is a cheap do-it-yourself hack, and this is from materials literally that I found all over my house that was just scrap laying around. Now, this board and back, this is a desktop model. But if you want a upright model, you simply have to just measure this wood, and you'll have to get 2 more pieces for the legs, and all 3 of the pieces will be the exact same size, and you can do the exact same strapping. You know, put 1 strap here, 1 strap here, and then you know, when you put it out, these actually, I wouldn't even use strapping for this, for the side pieces. Honestly, what I would do is I would just screw them directly into the wood, as those aren't really going to be moving. And then just leave this one strapped, and it will be the longer version. But if this helps people, you know, it'll save you quite a bit of money. I think I have a total of maybe $5 worth of product here, and it's a desktop easel, and if you were to price them in stores, you're looking at roughly around $60 to $70, and in this economy, it's just not feasible. So if you have any comments, questions, anything, please leave them below, and have fun hacking.